Jesus Christ, this box is fucking heavy. You guys probably know, judging by the size of this thing, what's inside of the box already. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have the final piece of the puzzle. Our intercooler from HG Motorsports came in, so thank you to EMD Auto. This is the stock location intercooler, so it's going to be a bit more involved than just a front mount intercooler. We're over at Jacob's house today. We're gonna knock this out before we head up to Tahoe. But yeah, I guess let's get this going. So you're gonna start with a T25 or T20. It's gonna vary along for this grill. Unfortunately, we don't have a socket, so I'm just gonna use this thing and take these all off. Let's go ahead and get to it. And so the first part is just removing this grill and these two support pieces right here, so we can remove the headlights and the bumper out. Just make sure that you keep track of all your screws, because this is gonna be a shit ton on this. So, and now once you've removed these screws off of the grill, you're gonna remove these three bolts right here that hold in this support piece. These are T30s, it looks like. And then this will...
Careful with this, make sure.
Yeah. Push. Oh, there we go. Okay. Fire. Now we're gonna remove these fender screws on each side. These are T25s, I think. This is definitely gonna be a really lengthy install, guys. It's almost 7 right now, so I'm gonna see how long this will take us to finish, but fuck it. Who cares? Summertime. Yes, sir. So we're removing the bolts from the under tray to get the bumper off. There's gonna be 3 along here, 1, 2, and 3. So we removed the fender liner screws on each side. We also removed the screws on the bottom too. Mine varied for some reason, but you know, it's whatever. So once you get these out, you should be able to peel back the fender liner. And if you guys can see, there's gonna be a screw right here. I believe that's either a T25 or a T30. Let me see if I can grab better lighting for you guys. Yep, you see that screw right there? That's what we're gonna grab off. I'll go ahead and get this off for both sides. So we got the upper grill off. We're gonna remove these bolts right here. I believe these are T30s or 40s. And then we'll be able to pull off the bumper. So we just got the bumper off by pulling off the sides. Oh shit, this thing's spilling. But yeah. Oh, now that side's spilling. Fuck it, just let it drain. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna grab some towels. You know what this calls for? ShamWow, baby. Fuck yeah, ShamWow. Oh wow, this is spilling a lot. Oh my god. Okay, ready to swap? Grab a bottle, grab a bottle. Oh my god. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, the Tom's got caught? They've done all this in your car.
So now that the bumper is off, we're gonna remove these headlights. After we've taken out those bolts, it's just gonna be this right here and this right here. This is a 10. There's one more bolt at the bottom that we're trying to get right now to remove out the headlight. We've already done this side, so it's deep inside there. What is that?
27.
T27?
27?
Yeah, so it'll be T27s for both sides. So the headlights are out. We're gonna remove this dash bar now. And Jacob's got the air impact, so it should be fairly easy. There's also a T30 on this side that you'll have to loosen up too. So pretty easy. We've already cracked all of these, and then as soon as we get this T30 off on both sides, then we'll remove the crash bar. So there's also another one up top here. Jacob's gonna disconnect that and I'll get this off. So 4 of these total. Jacob just removed these. These are 10 mils, and this should be able to come out now, I believe. So now we're using M10 to remove the horn assemblies on both sides, and then we should be able to take it off. So now we're gonna remove this air guide piece. Just take a flathead, press down on the clip, and pull it out. So same thing for this. So I'll show you guys an example. There we go. And last one. I think I got this. It's just bad angle. There we go. All right, so we're underneath the car right now. If you can take a look, there's gonna be an intercooler piping on this side and that side. You can just use a flathead to loosen this up and it'll pop out. And then there's gonna be 2 crash sensors, one on this side and one on the other side. These just pop down and will slide right out. So right now we're trying to remove these support clips in order to open up the sandwich. We're sticking a flathead in here, but these things are pretty brittle, so we feel like they're gonna crack, but it is what it is. We're trying to get them off. Oh, to remove this right here,
what
so
is
that this can open up. No, it's we need to press this in and slide it out. There we go. Okay, so we removed the AC condenser by the clips, and this is the fucking stock intercooler. Dirty piece of shit. Oh, there we go.
So this one cools your AC, right?
What's up?
This one cools your AC?
No, this cools cylinder 1 only, bro.
Oh, so you have 3 more, right?
Yeah, exactly.
The other ones are throughout the car.
Exactly. See, there's one more on this side, one more on that side, bro. Gotta replace them all.
This one's the biggest because cylinder 1 gets used the most, right?
Exactly. That's what, dude. Cylinder number 1, bro. It's the number 1. Exactly.
Like
it's not last. It's first. So we got out the OEM intercooler sitting over there. Had to wiggle it out. And now we're gonna find a way to fit this new one inside. So we connected these clips up top, and then don't forget to remove these from the OEM intercooler. Add these onto the new one. We tightened down all the hose clamps at the bottom, and she looks to be pretty good on there. So we're just gonna button everything up. We started this at about 6:30. It's about 9:30 right now, so about 3 hours to get this on, off and on, but we're making progress. So as soon as we get these buttoned all up again, I'll start filming. So we basically got the whole AC condenser sandwich unit thing in. Unfortunately, when we were trying to take off these clips, they did break, but Jacob's fabbing up some stuff to secure it on so that it doesn't move around. But yeah, slowly getting progress done, and we'll just try to button everything up as soon as we can. Jacob just finished fabbing this up. We just put a screw through here so that it can support the bracket and stay in place. So now that the intercooler's in, we just have to focus on buttoning everything up. There's a lot of screws, there's a lot of stuff that's out, but it's just working in reverse order now, so. Woo! The bash bar is in. We're just gonna torque these down and tighten them. We've also put back these bolts right here, so coming along real smoothly, guys. Now I believe we just have to put back in the headlights, the under panels, tighten everything down, and we should be good. It is 10:26 right now, so it took a lot shorter than I expected. So the crash bar is on. We accidentally broke this bolt right here by over torquing it, so we just had a spare one lying that fit. Now we're reconnecting the horns at the bottom, so both of them are in. We just need to tighten them down, and then headlights can go on, and then bumper. So the car is all buttoned up. There's a little bit of a fitment issue here, but we're tired and we're probably gonna fix that up tomorrow. But yeah, I'll go ahead and start her in a bit, and we'll go on a little test drive. What's going on, guys? As you can tell, it's a new day. We finished up the intercooler install last night, and she's sandwiched in there pretty good. I did a test run at night, and she was holding 25 pounds fine. Towards the end of the install, we stopped recording as much because it was getting late, as you saw. We had just finished at around 12:30, and we were tired, just trying to get out of his hair. But yeah, she's on, holds boost fine, IATs are lowered. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment down below. If you want to support this channel, go ahead and subscribe to us. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that install, guys. Again, stay tuned for some other stuff that we have coming for the car. But yeah, she is basically full bolt-ons, and I am happy with the way she sits right now. So once we get that E85 dialed in, she's gonna be a fun ride. But thank you guys for supporting the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.